Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a unboxing to share with you, but unfortunately it is now sold out. It's the Cult Beauty Female Founders Box, and this sold out within days. It's such a good beauty box. But you never know. They have been known to bring back boxes. They've currently got a beauty box waiting list. I'll pop it down in my description. So even though you might not be able to get this one at the moment, they might release more. I don't know. But you will be notified when they do, and any other new boxes. They usually bring out the limited edition beauty boxes every couple of months or so, and they're always fab. Cult Beauty, you know, it's a brilliant website, isn't it? It's a really great website. So I am so chuffed that I managed to get one. Really chuffed. There's some brands in here I haven't tried before, so yeah, I'm really excited to open it up properly and to start using everything. So the cost of this box is £45. The prices range differently from box to box. Usually they've been around the £25–30 bracket, so this is the most expensive Cult Beauty box that they've done then. That's not including their collaboration boxes like with Wayne Goss or Jamie Genevieve, Lydia Millen, etc. So yeah, their own beauty boxes then. There's no card inside or anything, but I'll just go through it one by one, showing you what's inside. So the first item is a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, mini eyeshadow palette with two easy to wear eye looks. Now I never ever tried, can you believe that? I'm obsessed with beauty, but never ever tried any Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows. I'm so excited, really excited. Packaging is gorgeous as always. And then on the back here, which I really love from what I've seen, she has really easy to follow sort of guides for you to create eye looks, which I really like. It's handy, it is really handy. And it's got them there as well, the numbers, the mirror there, so going from 1 upwards. So those are the shades. They are beautiful, aren't they? They are really pretty. I'll just try 3 out on my hand there. Wow, oh my god, oh my word, look at that. Wow, that is beautiful, that is beautiful. What's this sort of taupe matte like there? Oh, they just feel really nice and creamy. Oh, I'm impressed already. I'm excited. Besides the Charlotte Tilbury product, this was another product that I was really excited to receive. It's from Vive, Jamie Genevieve, who you might know from YouTube and Instagram. She brought out her brand new makeup collection last year, and this is a lip pencil, modern lip definer in shade Rumour. I've been wanting to try her makeup. I really like her. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube as well. I've been following her for a couple of years. I just think she's just so lovely, really down to earth, just really nice person. Just try this out. Ooh, it feels nice. It does feel really nice. See what that's like to blend in maybe. I'm just thinking of lining my lips and then blending it in. I think it'd be quite dark if I didn't smudge it in, for my lips anyway, because I got quite thin lips. But no, that is a pretty colour. This sort of shade that is quite universal as well. Next we've got a Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray by Diaryofabeautygeek, and this is Farewell Frizz, and we've got 147 mils here. This is a brand new brand for me to try. I haven't tried anything before. It contains our signature blend of rosehip, argan and coconut oils to effectively tame frizz, combat dryness and maintain soft shiny hair with a lightweight finish. The conditioning spray is also ideal for helping to detangle a wet hair. Brilliant. Now that my hair is getting longer, it's so thin, so fine, but it is getting so knotty when I wash it now, and I don't want to cut it because even though it looks horrible and stringy and straggly, but I like it longer because it blends into my halo hair extension a lot easier, so much easier when it's roughly the same length. I don't want to cut it, but yeah, I am noticing that it's knotting up quite a bit, so this might be lovely for me, so I'm not going to spray it. It's an actual, yeah, it's probably a cream in it. Next we've got a product by, I don't know, it says Beauty, and this is the Super Smart Hydrator. We've got 15 mils here. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps morning and night on top of clean dry skin, massage in gently onto face and neck. Ooh, smart packaging. Feels really nice. Oh, it feels really nice and creamy. It's a face cream. It's a really, really lovely face cream. I'm gonna have to look up more about this product. Next we've got a product from Kosas, and this is a wet lip oil gloss. I can't wait to see these. I love lip oils. Is it clear? I think it's in shade Jaws. Oh, woo! Oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at that! Look at that! That is so cool. I was not expecting that whatsoever. Oh, I love this colour. Absolutely love this colour. Has it got like gold in it? I'm applying everything to this hand. It's got a very slight sort of shimmer, like gold shimmer, I think. That is so nice. Look. Wow. I absolutely love the packaging of wet lip oil. Next we've got primer by Laura Mercier, and this is the Pure Canvas Primer, a hydrating primer, and there's 25 mils here. I've just received this in another subscription box, and it's a really nice primer. I had a little mini one, I think it was like 10 mils or something. Yeah, this is 25 mils. Laura Mercier do the most amazing primers. They're all silicone free, and they just feel really gorgeous on the skin. Next we've got an exfoliating product by Paula's Choice, and this is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, salicylic acid for all skin types. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths and evens skin tone, and there's 30 mils there. This is a fab product, really, really lovely. I've got to be careful what I apply on my skin at the moment, especially when it comes to like salicylic acids and glycolic acids, etc. I've taken out a subscription. I've mentioned this in lots of videos, so apologies if you've heard it all before, but I've taken out a Skin and Me subscription. I love it. I'm on my coming up to 5th month, maybe 4th month. I never know. Anyway, so every month they increase the dosage. I have tretinoin in my prescription, so they increase it every month. So for the first week or two, I've got to be really careful what I apply on my face, but then after that I can apply anything. So I've got a few exfoliants like this lying around that I can't wait to get into and use, more so possibly when I'm on like a maintenance dose, when I know I'm not going to increase anymore. Next we've got a product by Wishful, and this is Thirst Trap Juice. This is a HA3 and Peptide Serum, and it's got 5 mils there. That's the little outer. I'll just open it up. Oh, cute little bottle. It contains hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe vera and hollyhock rose. Provides hydration, it's soothing, luminous glow, and firms and tightens. Thirst Trap. Little face serum there. And then lastly, we have got a product by Disciple. Again, this is a brand, I haven't tried any of their products before, and this is Good Skin. This is a lightweight yet nourishing blend of adaptogenic oils and prebiotic plant extracts to balance, purify and brighten skin. Gently massage 3 to 4 drops into cleansed skin and neck PM. Use SPF in the AM. If any of you have used any of these products that I haven't tried before, please let me know down below your thoughts about them. Yeah, okay, let's try this on my other hand. I think this hand's had enough now. Oh, so nice, so nice. Oh, eucalyptus, I can smell. Yeah, that is lovely. That is lovely. It's got turmeric oil. It's got loads. It's got loads of different oils. So we've got a face oil there by Disciple. So these are all the products inside the recently sold out, unfortunately, beauty box from Cult Beauty. I am really, really chuffed. Really chuffed. I think it's gorgeous. I do think it's a really, really lovely box this month. And no wonder it's sold out super fast. But as I said at the start, if they do bring out some more, make sure you're signed up for a waiting list, notification list then. So then they will email you as soon as any of the boxes become available. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Did you purchase this box? What do you think of the products inside this box? Or did you see it and you think, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.